Ito ma'am, bago tayo mag-arrive doon sa atin talagang topic, ito bigyan muna natin ma'am ng konting kaalaman yung ating audience. Though may na-share na ako kanina ma'am, pero di ko alam kung enough yun. Mas maganda ma'am kung sa inyo manggaling. Ano ba ma'am yung National Competitive Examination? Bakit nagkakandak
Okay.
ng ganito yung Philippine Science High School? Ma'am Joy.
Okay po. The National Competitive Examination po is the exam para po sa mga grade 6 ano, or incoming grade 7 students na gusto pong pumasok sa Philippine Science. Okay, and siguro aware naman po yung audience na ang Philippine Science High School po is a school that offers the scholarship po under the Department of Science and Technology po kami. Okay, so actually, ang Philippine Science High School is the only school na under the Department of Science and Technology that caters to students na inclined sa sciences, sa technology, sa math, because ang goal po is to be able to have or produce a pool of scientists and engineers in the future. Yun po yung po namin. So, ang National Competitive Exam, yun po yung para entrance examination natin na hinuhold po, kinakanda.